decided to actually put some music playing over me unboxing this thing, because I actually had the mic on, and as you could see I was actually speaking to the camera, but the cable of the other mic is, I think, is broken on the end that goes inside the camera, so there was no sound at all. So the package is already open. There are a couple of things in here, but the delivery guy just arrived. There's food. My little sister had ordered some Rocco Mamas. I don't know what exactly she ordered, but I'm gonna go and eat the chips. So obviously for you guys this is gonna be like that, but for me it's gonna take me around 30 minutes to go eat and come back and edit. So let's go. And so I'm now back from having a little Rocco Mamas. I ate mostly chips anyways, but let's get back to what's in the box. As I was explaining before the mic wasn't working, what's in the box is a couple of packages from eBay and from Amazon that I got. Some I got around December last year, and some I got around January this year. So just gonna go through the box and show you guys what's inside. Some of them obviously I'm just gonna show you quick, but some we can actually go in depth with it. I want to make a separate video of I think 2 or 1 item that it's in here. That's why I'm just gonna go through it quick. So let's make this snappy. This is the forwarding agency I normally use, my US. I always speak about them, but there are other forwarding agencies you guys can use. So paper, and more paper. So let's start with a light. This is an LED light I got from Amazon. Cost me $27, very cheap. It's an RGB light and it also works with Alexa. Hence I got this guy. Hopefully it's gonna work with Alexa, because I'm checking the packaging. This is definitely Chinese product. So this is the first one in the box. There isn't much about this guy, so I'm not even gonna open. It's just LED light, RGB lights that I'm going to put behind the desk, so we can have something shining against the wall, just to give that depth effect. So that's the first package. The second one is this power strip surge protector, what's on it. And this one I also got because it works with Amazon Alexa, and most of my product actually that are connected, they're actually connected in the living room. They have the American plug format, so I'm gonna substitute the one that I have in the living room, because I already have one, but that one doesn't work with Alexa. So I'm gonna put this in the living room and take the one from the living room and put in the bedroom. So this guy works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assist as well, because remember we have the Amazon Alexa in the living room and the Google Smart Assistant. So that's what it looks like. It's a power strip. There isn't much in here for you guys to see, but if you guys want to see, I mean, that's about it. So we can gladly move on, because that's it. So let's move on to the next package. I think I should sit down maybe, because my back is gonna hurt from all the ups and downs, but let me stand and do this quick. So what else do we have here? I think these are the package. Oh, this guy here, I actually forgot about this. This is a boost strips. This is to put on my sneaker. Remember the Adidas I have, the Ultra Boost? They come with a black cage, and I can put this thing and make it a white cage. Hopefully this is the right size. It's a medium to XL. So I have this guy, and I think that was about it that I got. Yeah, this is for the sneaker. It was just sitting in the cart for a while. And these guys here, I think these are the ones I'm going to make a video about. Let me just check. No, yeah, these are the ones I'm going to make a quick video about. Should be out sometime next week. I'm gonna put this one to the side. I'm not even gonna tell you guys what it is. And the last one is this Hue. Let me sit down. I'm gonna talk a bit about this. This is the Hue bulb, my own frame. Yes, I'm in frame. This is the Hue. Actually, it's a refurbished package. This is the light any moment. Anyway, that's actually what's written here. This is what did they call this one? Doesn't have a specific name, but this is a Hue light. Obviously, this is probably a second hand or somebody bought and returned, so it's refurbished, and I got it for like half of the price. This goes for $79, but I got this one for $49. And what I will use it for is just to light different scenes. Let's say I'm shooting a video that side of the bed, I can use this here to just give a little bit of color, because I normally use this light over here, and this is just one light, one color. It's not an RGB, so just lights this Tuscan. Is that what they call them? Tuscan. Oh, this yellow light. So this guy, let me open and show you guys how big it is. Where do you open? Okay, you open here where it says refurbished. And just want to check the size. Wow, it's actually quite small. I thought it was going to be much bigger. Now I have quite big hands, but you guys can see how it looks like. So this guy, I think it also recharges, so you can actually move it around after it's charged, which is pretty cool. So whenever I'm shooting in any location in the house, I can just move this guy around to give a little bit of lighting to the scenery. Yeah, and I think that's it. And what else comes in the box? This is the main thing in this box. I think they also have the plug over there. Let me see if I can take it out. That's out. And again, it's American standard. That's why I always try and buy other strips so I can use it in multiple places. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. And this is what plugs under the bulb. And yeah, plugs there. And it sits. Should I turn it on? But I don't have the plug here in the room for me to turn it on and try it. Let me just turn it on quick for you guys to see. I can actually turn on the... Nah, it's not going to work. Okay, you guys are just gonna have to see it in one of the videos. Maybe one of the videos next week you might see this light in the background for a little mood light. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it, a mood light. To just give a little mood to the video. So you're just gonna see it hanging somewhere like that, chilled. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just a quick unbox of what I got on my mail from FedEx. As I said on my previous video, my PO box is already up. If you guys want to send me letters or anything you guys think you should send me, you can send me. But it's mostly for companies to send me products so I can check them out, review. Even if they want to send me giveaways, it's much easier, and I can give it to you guys. Yeah, for those new in the channel, welcome to my channel. I make tech videos, vlogs, and anything around my life, and my life actually is just surrounded by tech. It's always been surrounded by tech. I only started making these videos I think for 2 years now, but even before that I was already doing this. I'm thinking of actually making a video of packages that I've received but I haven't unboxed them. I have like a box with I have a big box with smaller boxes of products that I have been unboxing in the past behind the cameras, but maybe some other time we'll make a video like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and sorry for the weird angle of the camera, and I didn't want to make a bigger production about this, so I just went on a whim. All right, peace.